Jerry.
What's going on, my people? Welcome to the Sn95 Power Channel. I actually forgot that I had a two-step box on this thing, and I really don't remember how I have it set up. I know I have one of these cruise control buttons to activate it. I don't know which one it is, so I'm gonna go figure it out. I think it's this cruise control button. I think this is my trigger. I think if I hold this cruise control button down, that's the trigger for the two-step. I think I have it set at like 2,000 RPM. I really don't know if the stall, or let me rephrase that. I think this is like a 3800 stall, but how it flashes or how it acts under a foot brake, I don't know. So we're gonna test that out real quick. I'm hoping that under a foot brake that I can get up to like 3K. Gosh, I remember I had first time I went to a track, I didn't even have a road runner converter. I had a stock Lincoln Mark 8 converter, and under a foot brake I would roll out of the box at like close to 2,000 RPM. So that's why I was only able to cut like a 1.9 60 foot. That's why they say with turbo cars you need a looser converter. Looser converter will help you build up some RPMs. The higher you build up your RPM on the launch, the quicker you can get into boost, or the higher you can get into boost. I don't believe this car builds boost on a foot brake. I think I would have to have a trans brake and get up to almost 4K before I start seeing any boost. So I'm gonna get a draggy, and what I'm gonna do, y'all don't steal my idea. I know they have groups and all that stuff on the Draggy app, but I'm gonna start a 60 foot, just Sn95 power Draggy contest. All right, I believe this activates it. No, that doesn't activate it. Does this activate it? Maybe this does. I'm spinning the tires, so I'm not. Yeah, I think I'm spinning the tires. Damn it, where's the two-step button at? Yeah, see, these 20-inch tires are not helping. So right now, yeah, tires are spinning. God damn it. Where's the freaking two-step button at? I don't remember. So those tires are trash. So like I said, I'm embracing the big wheel life. And I'm going to go with an R compound drag radial. And by doing so, that will get rid of all that nonsense. You know, it's cool to do burnouts and lay rubber and stuff like that for social media, but if you are trying to have a car go fast, sticky tires are the key. I gotta figure out how the hell I activate this damn two-step. Let me see, is it this one? I done tried every button combination except this one. Nah, it's not that one. I don't remember. I might not even have it hooked up, y'all, to be quite honest with you. I'm getting ready to run out of gas here. So I guess this video was a flop. Total flop, because you know we're still out having fun with it. But it just shows you the importance of having some tires. So I think I got to figure out what button combination I'm using for this two-step trigger. I totally forgot. Like when I redid all the wiring up under here, I probably just left it disconnected. Because originally I think I had it triggered to this right here, see? And nothing's, like the car should bog. As soon as I hit that two-step button, the car should bog. And none of these buttons are triggering it. So that just makes me believe I have it disconnected. Unless I just bypassed my MSD box. I could have done that. I could have just, when I was in the process of troubleshooting, I could have just disconnected the MSD box. I might have done that. But yeah, the car is acting great. You know, that's that brake caliper sticking back there. So small minor stuff I have to take care of over the off season. I would love to do a 6R80 swap. That would be dope. Oh, don't go. Oh, don't go on me, thank you. These tires are begging for mercy today. Yes, it's a shame that I live up here in the north and it's about time for me to put this car up. But according to some meteorologist, we're supposed to have a very mild winter, so normally like towards the end of October, middle of October, I put this car up, but I might wait. Yeah, she's feisty today. She's feeling good. All right, I gotta stop playing before I run out of gas. But I was hoping to test out the torque converter, see how can I foot brake it. I was hoping to check out the two-step, see where I have it set at. None of that happened today, but we still out here having a little fun. So all my AOD guys, or my 4R70W, 4AODE guys, C4 guys, like all you automatic transmission family, what kind of stall are you rocking? What kind of 60 foots are you cutting? Like I said, I'm gonna order a draggy, and I see now I gotta do something about these tires. I can't participate in this. Well, I guess I could. It's all fun. So I got to get these tires together, get the draggy, and we're going to have a Sn95 only draggy 60-foot event. Now I'm still in the process of putting this together. Like I said, y'all don't bite my idea. I know there's like a community for draggy already. I know that you can post times and all that, but I'm just talking about strictly for my followers. We're gonna have basically like a shootout contest. And I hope I can use the buddy system. Like, y'all not gonna be out here capping, cheating. It's strictly on the streets, not at the track for the 60 foots. I don't want y'all out here breaking the law because of me. So my suggestion is maybe do it about to accelerate on the highway, 60 foot like that. But yeah, I think it's gonna be real cool. It'll be a nice fun event. I gotta hurry up and get this together because my time is limited up here in the north. And then next year, once the springtime come around, we're gonna do another 60 foot event, but then we're gonna step it up to an 8th mile. Now the 8th mile is gonna be at the track, but if you wanna do it on the street, that's up to you. But for legal purposes, we're gonna say this is at the track, and I think it should be fun. And you know, we'll get some prizes going. But tell me what y'all think about that. Would y'all be interested in doing anything like that? I know some of y'all are not on Instagram, so of course I would include it for all my YouTube followers. But that's kind of something Kim and I thought about, and I think it'd be a great idea. And that's kind of the reason why I came out here to try to test out this torque converter and test out this this two-step, just to see how the car kind of feels and see where it launches at. But I got a lot of work to do to prepare for this, so I would appreciate some feedback on that. Like I say, the video, I guess, was a flop, but it still feels good to get out here and play with this car. So hey, tell a couple of people about the channel. I appreciate y'all, and God bless.